of the core task of an organizational psychologist is to formulate and implement programs applying principles of learning and in individual differences. Keeping in mind terms as successful intelligence, risk intelligence, and tacit knowledge, we have developed a training program to find success in risk operations. First of all, we will introduce the topic with a metaphor. Everyone can ride a bike. Once we learn, it becomes part of our tacit knowledge, meaning the procedural knowledge. To make a difference between us and other bikers, we need to take risks. Risks are dangerous and uncontrolled variables, but if we learn how to manage them, success is the prize. Let's set the goal as the ability to move forward, be creative, and have an impact. In this case, as we can see, there is no risk, and the person doesn't achieve any of the goals. There is no impact, no dynamism, and no creativity. This one shows an average level of risk. You move forward at a regular speed, are not particularly creative, and don't have much impact. But in this one, the risk is very high. You move forward fast in a creative way and have a strong impact. Going back to the theory behind it, we should understand some key aspects that will allow us to achieve our goals. So, what is risk intelligence? It's the ability to accurately estimate the likelihood of an event based on previous knowledge. This will guide you to make the best decision. But what is success? Well, according to Stenberg, success is however a person chooses to define it, or however it might be defined within a socio-cultural context. This theoretical background would constitute the basis of the training program that, through the practice of specific exercises, will contribute to the development of abilities required to achieve success. The following case will illustrate which steps should take place in the process of reaching our goals. In this case, the chosen population is a group of brokers. Their goal is to obtain maximum benefits with the minimum costs. The first step is to consolidate and automatize our previous knowledge. The broker will have to understand how investment works until it becomes tacit. Once this is achieved, we can start approaching the challenge. We perform a risk analysis about the current situation of the market, and through successful intelligence strategies, we make a decision about how to invest. We use these strategies in order to solve the market problems and reach success. As a final discussion point and conclusion, we will introduce the question of can we achieve success in risk situations? Well, there are two possible answers for this question. Divergent thinking people would answer yes, as opposed to convergent thinking people who would answer no.